Hey Luigi!
Yeah, Mario?
In our last video, remember how we said it was going to be about the Xbox?
Yes.
Well, it's not going to be.
Yeah, because we found the Xbox.
Yeah, and it was just like right there. Anyway, we're looking at the wrong TV. Instead, the creators decided to do a more interesting subject. What is it, Luigi?
Mario, Rocket Mario Bros. Visit Mother Nature. Now let's go on the swings.
Okay. Wee! 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 Wee!
Ow!
This is the Mario and Luigi camp. We're going to see how they got epically pwned. Here it goes. Oh, and they got pwned. Hey, Luigi.
Yeah, Mario?
How we do something safer, like relax on this patio and listen to some music? What song should we listen to?
Replay. And I'll start it off, Mario. A one, 2, 3, 4.
This is probably off your iPhone, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, iPhone.
Like a melody in
My head, like a doggy coupling up the poop now.
And
every day,
every day.
Pooh!
Hey, stop it! Let's listen to the song. With your friends.
Of course, this is safer.
Yeah.
Hey, wow, that's a nice fire pit.
Yeah, let's sit there for a while.
Okay.
No.
Oh, this is so comfortable, Luigi. So comfortable. Hey, Mario, let's play a contest where you try to not get pushed off. Okay, Luigi. Ah! Ow! I got pushed off. Ha ha ha! I pushed Mario.
My head can't keep stop.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Every day.
Ooh, I'm on the camera. I'm gonna play basketball. Yay, yay, yay! Oh crap! Ow! Okay, now here I go. Ah!
Oh, what was that, Mario? What kind of shot is that?
I'm gonna start dribbling on Mario now. Oh crap! Oh! Hey Luigi! Yeah, Mario. Let's go. Okay, now let's go. Okay. Woohoo! Wee! Woohoo! It's so fun riding a bike, Luigi. I know, Mario. Hey, what's this thing? Luigi, that's called a bell. Oh, a bell! Oh, what's that thing? I have no idea. It's under you, though. Luigi, yeah? That is a light. Oh, of course it is. Luigi, how many times have I told you? You are stupid. Just like once, actually. Whatever. Luigi? Yeah, Mario? It's kind of starting to get late. Don't you think we should park the bike thingy inside? And then should we go, camping in the mailbox? Sure. Okay, Luigi, here we go. There's the mailbox. Okay. Can you please go a little faster, cameraman? Sure. Ooh, the mailbox. Man, Luigi, it is so dark in here, right? Yeah, Mario, of course. Can't you see how dark it is? Wait a second, Mario. It isn't dark out. What are you talking about? Just pull the wallpaper off. Okay. Oh, drop you. Okay. Okay, here it goes. Hey, Luigi.
Yeah, Mario?
You want to do an awesome, super cool, awesome thingy?
Sure.
Okay, so, right over here, see that cone right up there?
Yep.
It is located on Mount Basketball Hoop. And we have to climb up to that cone, and then jump off the basketball hoop, all the way over to that other cone, right over there. Like, right over here. Like, right where Luigi is. And then, you have to race over to that other cone over there, where Mario is. Well, kind of where Mario is. And that is how the super awesome thingy will work out.
Now let's go.
Dumb cone. Okay, now let's do the awesome jump. Whee! it's time for the race. I'm gonna beat you, Luigi. No, 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 no. Hey, cameraman, walk faster, you little... Wait, who won? Who won? Let's watch the slow motion photo taking thingy. It's a tie! What?
Time for hide and seek.
Oh, I'm gonna pwn you in this, Luigi. Ow, Luigi, why'd you have to do that?
'Cause you're a big fat butted meanie.
Okay, now let's play. Luigi, you'll never find me here.
Let's fix me.
Dun, dun, dun. I wonder where Mario could be. Maybe on top of the basketball hoop. Let me see. No, maybe under this cone right over here. No, Mario's not that stupid. Maybe... I have the best idea ever! He might have hidden here! Nope. I wonder where he could be. Where's Mario? Mario, I see you in there!
Haha.
Luigi, how could you know I was in here? Mario?
I just saw you.
Yeah, and plus, you were twice as stupid that I thought you were. Luigi, it seems that we've been getting hurt too much in, like, all these human things. So, shouldn't we ride these Yoshis around?
Sure.
But Yoshi's flies up to the top of that tree. Okay. Oh, crud. Here I go. Whee! Oh, crud. Luigi, it doesn't seem that Yoshis can fly very well.
Yeah.
Oh, darn it. I'm all dirty. Mario, why did we even have to do that, right?
Shut up.
Yeah, but...
Trying to get stuff off.
Mario, I'm going to have some of my alone time in my awesome new house. Mario, now you're dirty. Okay, now let me go in this cone. I'm He's a semi-aquatic agent of skill. What Yoshi? Na 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 na. Every once in a while he gets hit by soccer balls. Ow, ow. And he's a white Yoshi. Oh, oh. He's a white Yoshi. He's a white Yoshi. Much like Agent P. Hello, YouTubers, and we have something to tell you. Coming really super soon. How soon, Luigi? Super soon.
Super soon.
Okay, so in this thing that's coming super soon is... Oh yeah, and we've had a lot of requests for this.
Season 1, Episode 1 of the
Rockin'
Mario Bros. The TV show.
Oh, and our first episode will be about Super Spies Mario and Luigi. Dun 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 dun. Woohoo!
The end.
Da.